How to check two-factor authentication on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're on the Settings page, tap on the section with your name on it at the very top. This is your Apple account page, where you manage your personal information and settings across all Apple services. Now, go ahead and tap on Sign In and Security at the top as shown. This section is for managing your password, trusted phone numbers, and other account security features. From here, tap on Two-Factor Authentication in the bottom. This page shows your trusted devices and phone numbers that are used to verify your identity. To add a new number, you would tap on the Add a Trusted Phone Number option for authentication. Following these steps, you can easily check two-factor authentication on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.